range trading that one, right? I like the volume. I don't like the failure today. Let me see the 15, how it looks. Guys, support resistance works both ways, right? Once you get a wall like this and you start seeing 40 and then you have this distribution and then you have this, it's hard to argue that probably you're not going to break it, especially if you have this massive volume and you just came right there and just stop right there. So that's something to take into consideration. That's exactly what I do to the other side too. Like it's been falling. Like just flip the chart. I don't know if you remember how to do that. I think it's like minus DDD. Is that how you flip the chart? That's how you flip the chart. You guys know that, right?
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, you owe me $100,
cool.
every single one of you. Because some of you are so bullish, including myself, that I don't get to see the other side. And some of you are so bearish and you can see the other side, right? So this is a thing, right? You're today, so you trading inverse this one right here, right? So yeah, right here, and people are like, oh, this one's about to break new highs. Well, it's like it's about to break new lows, but that's massive support to your left. And you're far from support. And you're far from VWAP, right? So yes, I can short it versus VWAP because I'm not far, I'm not extended like right here, and it gives you 10%. But now when I'm trying to get cute into this move, I'm like asking for trouble, right? The market, whatever you want to call it, right? So this is support resistance as its best. I just flipped the chart, so now you know how to flip the chart. I totally forgot about that trick. So now you know, if you don't see it, if you're like, oh my God, what's gonna happen with the Qs? You just flip it, right? And you see like, oh, that's a short, right? Yeah, it looks like a short, so it looks like a long, right? Anyways, totally forgot about that one. That trick.